think it's really a really complex question you ask me. My leadership is driven from moral purpose, and I see a really key part of my leadership is developing leadership capacity within the school, but primarily my leadership is around improving student outcomes and improving children's life chances.
Well, strong leadership is extremely important in setting the vision for the school and putting into place the opportunities for teachers to thrive in their classrooms. And then, of course, that means that student outcomes will be positively affected. So the principal is working very hard to ensure that everything is in place so that students in their classrooms can have the best opportunities for learning that are available.
The principal needs to be able to look at themselves as a professional and to analyse their practice and ask themselves the deeper questions about what they need to know, what they need to be able to do, how they can improve their practice, how they can extend their influence to not only the teachers in their care and the students in their care, but to the broader community of principals and indeed to the broader community.
Leadership for me means that Australian schools are being led by outstanding educational leaders that are setting a world-class education system in Australia that'll hold its own place on the world stage. It means that for every child and every family in Australia, educational leaders in the principal role are making a compelling difference, but that it's valued and verified in ways that hold both the accountability but also the standard of excellence in the foreground.